Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dive deep into the latest tech to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the D-Link COVR AX1800 Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. The D-Link COVR AX1800 is designed to blanket your entire home with smooth, fast, and reliable Wi-Fi 6 coverage. It's perfect for streaming 4K content, gaming, video calling, and connecting all your smart home devices.
Let's talk about what sets this mesh system apart. First up, seamless coverage. With up to 4,500 square feet of coverage, you won't have to worry about dead zones or dropped connections as you move around your home. Setting up the COVR AX1800 is a breeze. Each COVR point comes pre-paired out of the box, making setup quick and easy. Just plug it in, download the D-Link Wi-Fi app, and your network will be up and running in minutes.
Now, let's talk about the tech behind the COVR AX1800. This system utilizes advanced Wi-Fi 6 features like target wake time, BSS coloring, and OFDMA to deliver a better performing Wi-Fi network.
You'll experience faster speeds and more efficient connectivity compared to previous generations of Wi-Fi.
Parents will appreciate the enhanced parental controls offered by the D-Link Wi-Fi app.
You can create profiles for different users or devices in your home, set schedules, pause the internet, and more, all with just a few taps.
And for added convenience, you can control your COVR Wi-Fi network with simple voice commands using Google Assistant and Alexa.
It's hands-free control at its finest.
So, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance mesh Wi-Fi system that covers your entire home, the D-Link COVR AX1800 is definitely worth considering.
Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations.